Hello.
Good morning. We have come out to Honeycomb Caves at Mole Creek.
Yeah, we found ourselves at some more caves, which is really exciting.
So we've got the water shoes on because there's like a whole creek running through these caves. So,
we're just about to jump in.
There's a sign here that says 70 metres into the cave that goes into private land. So it's obviously a fairly big system, and there's another one back down further that we'll go and check out after this. But you know, let's get stuck into it because they look pretty cool. The water looks cold. I'm not that keen about stepping into the water, but anyway.
It looks really cold. It's about ankle deep by the look of it. Maybe a bit deeper in some parts, but we'll go and check it out.
Hopefully we can film inside of it. They're normally pretty dark. We got some better torches this time, so
hopefully brought some torches for the boys.
Hopefully we'll see, but we'll show you what's inside there if we can. Otherwise, we'll see you when we get back out and tell you all about it.
Oh my God, it's freezing.
So we brought along some better torches for you this time, so hopefully you can see something. But yeah, it's way back there. And this water is freezing. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, it's freezing.
Alright, so we've come in, we've hit the bloody private property marker, so we're going to just stop here. We've got, it's bloody dark in here, as you'd expect being inside a cave, but it is cool as hell. I don't know what you can see, but the formations in here are incredible. So we've opened up to a big sort of cabin area here, and it bends up around the bend, but we've got the boys behind us with some lights, so we'll get them to swing around behind Hayley as she turns around. We'll show you a bit in here as best we can. And yeah, this is cool. She's a bloody ripper of a cave. One thing we didn't think when we set off to do this trip was that a caving had become one of our favourite things to do, but we all seem to really enjoy it. It's pretty awesome to get inside them, and we like finding the ones where we don't have to pay for, because I mean, it just gives it our experience. So anyway, we'll head back out of here because we're not really allowed to go any further, but yeah, it keeps going up and around, I think, but actually no, this might be the end of it. But yeah, we'll head out, we'll go back and check out the other one. But yeah, this is cool.
So that cave was really cool.
Yeah, that was sick.
This is the second cave, so we're just going to head in now and have a look and see how it compares.
Yeah, it compares. This one's meant to be the better one, so I don't know, we'll see. Let's do it.
Yeah, sure.
So that was really, really cool. Yeah, allow a bit of time if you come out to Honeycomb Caves, because there's a fair bit to see and do, and the caves are pretty big to look around, so yeah, highly recommend these ones.
Yeah, all in all, tick for
Yeah,
us.
the first one, I'd still say the first one was probably cooler. This one had a little bit more to explore, but yeah, awesome.
Get in there, explore them,
Yeah,
have some fun.
come out and do them, they're definitely worth the drive. Righto, we're off to do something.
Something else, I don't know. So we found ourselves at Montana Falls. It says 45-minute return walk, but we always seem to do it a bit quicker than what the recommended time is. So we're excited. And I think after this we're going to have some lunch. We might head up to 41 degrees South Cafe. It's like a salmon farm. So we might get some salmon and test it out, hey?
Got to get some salmon in Tassie.
I know, Daniel's been hanging for some seafood and we haven't really found anywhere that's...
I think it's about the only place in Tassie that's going to have a fish. Bloody
Yeah.
hell. Mind you, I did see a couple of trout out the front of our caravan last night, but couldn't catch them either.
Yeah, we're not doing too well on the seafood front. We did have a bit of seafood down at Hobart on the dock there, and that was pretty nice.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, if we're relying on catching our own to stay fed over here, we'd be bloody skinny by the time we got back home.
we actually thought that there would be more. Like,
Yeah.
the advertising of Tassie being the seafood capital.
Or just the food capital of Australia, but
Yeah,
not that we found. I mean, maybe we're just doing it wrong, but
we're not really looking that hard either.
yeah.
We're not really researching a lot, but
It is expensive what you do find too, we have found, but
we thought we'd just come across it a bit more, like stumble on it a bit more.
Yeah.
But anyway,
mind you,
Montana Falls.
the bread on Bruny Island,
Oh yeah,
that's worth going out of your way for, but
you got to get to Bruny Island.
Other than that, finding food, yeah, I don't know, maybe we're doing it wrong, but the scenery makes up for it, I guess.
Anyway, Montana Falls, here we come.
Yeah. So we got into the falls. Little man's had a bust up. Trying to race Dad in here, and he tripped over a rock and had a bust up. So a bit more blood for the little fella, but yeah. But like Hayley said, a 45-minute return. It took us less than 10 to get in here. It is uphill on the way out, but I was thinking around, they're not the biggest falls, but still bloody peaceful down here. So there's a quick little walk into Montana Falls. We're just going to patch up the little guy, and then I think there's some salmon with our name on it.
Time for Nurse Mum to patch up.
Yeah. Time for Hayley to put some skills back to use and patch up the little guy. So one advantage to having a nurse come with you on your travels is
I don't know if it's an advantage or not, because sometimes I can't find what I need.
with a 100-kilo bloody first aid kit with one of everything, and most of them 6 of everything. But times like this,
When you have kids, you need 6 of everything.
especially ones that bust themselves up as much as ours do. Anyway, Hayley's going to work her magic, and then we'll get some salmon. So we've made it into 41 South Salmon Farm. The dude that met us at the front counter was super informative. Boys have got some food here. It's inland salmon farm, so they're Atlantic salmon, but which do fresh and salt water. But these ones are all fresh, obviously. That they get their water from the waterfalls that we just went to, and yeah, just like a cycle of water treatment, and they breed these. But yeah, they give you a bag of pellets, and you can feed the salmon. So the boys are gonna let loose with that. But check these bad boys out. There's some big fish here. So for those that don't know, Jeff's a real little foodie. He loves trying food, eating food, creating food, so this is right up his alley, this is.
What else have you got? Well, you're going to do a strawberry.
Blueberry, what's that going to fit in there?
Now, if you haven't tried it, wallaby, just quietly, I've never had it until we got over here, but it is bloody delicious. If you've eaten kangaroo, it's nothing like that. It's less gamey and it's just bloody delicious. Good and fun. We got the tasting plate, which, as you're saying, was bloody delicious. Jeff's got the salmon patty burger. Jeff's got a ham and cheese toastie. What do you do? Yeah, the food is top notch. As you can tell by the almost empty plate.